How's it going, everyone? My name's Angel and this is Lone Wolf Survival, and today we're going to be going over my EDC, my everyday carry. What I have here is a Maxpedition Fat Boy S-Type, and attached to it I have a Maxpedition Barnacle, and the little pouch here I use as a first aid kit. As you can see, I have, bandages here, and also got some triple antibiotic. There's a little pill box I have in there. Carry all kinds of goodies in there. And the little flap here, I have my old dog tags. I was in service, so I use that as a form of ID in case they find me, I don't know, knocked out or something for some reason. They have something here to identify me with. Okay, so we're going to go over the outside of this pouch first. We just did the barnacle here. On the side of the pouch here we have a mini survival kit. Here's an emergency whistle, the compass, a little thermometer, and it also has a magnifying glass right here. Sharpener. This is a diamond coated sharpener. And in here I have a Leatherman Wave. So this right here alone is a survival kit. And what I carry inside this little case here is a light my fire steel, a mini Bic lighter, and a small light. This is from Innova. Alright, so that's my Leatherman Wave. By itself, this is a survival kit. Oops. There we go. Okay, moving on. We're going to go to the other side of the pouch now. On the other side of the pouch. Now this is where this pouch is actually meant for to carry a pistol, but I do not own a pistol because I live in a state that doesn't allow you to carry. So in here I have a Surefire flashlight, high intensity flashlight. Okay, now we're going to go into the pouch now. We're going to start off here. In here, I carry a combat folder. It's from Gerber. And if I get caught in rain, I have a rain poncho in this little pouch here. It's from Kelty, and you can also use it as a shelter. Okay, in this little zipper, the front zipper here, I carry an SOL reflective mirror, signal mirror. I keep the film on this thing so I don't scratch the reflective part. But back here gives you instructions on how to use it. Of course, we all know how to use that. Now inside the pouch, in this little pocket right here, I carry a DD-214. I am a veteran, so in case I need to identify myself for whatever reason, I have my DD-214 there. I have a micro Sharpie. And what else? Oh, some lens cleaner. Alright, nothing else. And inside this pouch, basically it's like a hygiene kit. Wipes, Lysol to go. I carry some Tylenol in here. Let's see, mosquito repellent, afterbite for the mosquito bites, in case any get through. Toothpaste, toothbrush, tweezers. Let's see, nail clipper. Okay, you've seen this. You've seen this already. Dental floss, of course. Some ballistics. And this here, of course, some medical tape. Now, what I have here, this is basically South America's version of Tiger Balm. It's a very strong menthol, I guess, salve. I don't know what else to call this thing. It's used for a lot of things, mostly just bumps and bruises. They use it also for mosquito bites, for cuts, scrapes. I wouldn't recommend it. Just use this basically for, I don't know, if I get a bruise or something, or if I sprain an ankle, put some of this stuff on it, and it should alleviate the pain a little bit. Plus, if you're congested too, this works pretty good for that as well. Alright, now we're going to go inside the pouch. And inside the pouch here, I have hand sanitizer. You can also use it as a fire starter. SOL, emergency bivy. If I get stuck somewhere in a survival situation, I at least have something to keep warm, and use the poncho as a shelter. And part of my hygiene kit here, I have shampoo, soap, and deodorant. And I carry this tin right here, a tin cup. Nice folding handle. And inside the little tin here, tin cup, I carry this, the edible wild food card, which also doubles as playing cards. Some paracord. I think it's about 20 or 30 feet, I'm not sure. Mosquito head net from Sea to Summit. Now this is the kind that doesn't have permethrin in it. Just in case I have to use it for, I don't know, fishing. Bandana. Multi-uses with a bandana. And of course, my tin cup. Normally I do carry a water bottle with me, so I'll have a container on me all the time. I can't fit a Nalgene bottle in here, it's not big enough, and I didn't get the one with the side pouch to carry one, so I carry this tin cup so I could just at least scoop the water, light a fire, boil it. I got at least I have something here to boil water, and also if I get any wild edibles, I can cook it in here. So that's basically it. That's my everyday carry, the Maxpedition Fat Boy S-Type, and thanks for watching.